Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who are following this channel and also who are watching this video. And also at the same time, to all the students who are celebrating this Teachers Day, to all your teachers. This is first time to me after starting YouTube. As a YouTube teacher, this is the first Teachers Day to me. And on this auspicious day, by recalling Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan sir, I am just wishing to all the teachers and students a very happy Teachers Day. I don't want to prolong this video much. I just want to share one of my experiences with you. When I was in my plus 1 and plus 2, you know, plus 1 and plus 2 is just an immature age. So when I was in my plus 1 and plus 2, along with my backbench students, backbench friends, I also used to crack some jokes on teachers. I also used to play some jokes with teachers because of that immaturity. So after I got full maturity, after my BSc, once I have seen one video on internet. That video was represented by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Actually, he was giving one interview. In that interview, reporter called him as ex-president. The moment when the reporter called him as ex-president, he said, "Please don't call me as ex-president, call me as a teacher." At that time, I realized how important one teacher is, how much respect we have to give to one teacher, how important one teacher is in one person's life. So after that, I didn't even try to play any jokes on any of my teachers or anything, right? That's all. I just wanted to share this experience with you, and I'm concluding this video by just recalling 4 lines said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Those 4 lines are: where there is righteousness in the heart, there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. When there is an order in the nation, there is peace in the world. So that's all. So once again, by remembering and by recalling all these wonderful personalities on this auspicious day, and once again, I'm wishing you, all the teachers and students, a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you so much.